This video is going to look at number 19, a problem that's going to make your English teachers love me, sum of focal radii. First, make sure you read the question. Find an equation of the ellipse having the given points as foci and the given number as the sum of focal radii. So we start with -6, 0, and 6, 0. And as we plot these, this is one of those cases where it's really helpful to have a sketch of this. We go -6, 0, and 6, 0. So we're left with, what is that number 18? It says the sum of focal radii. Well, focal radii is the radius that goes through the focus. The sum of focal radii, this is the same as the length of the major axis. You see that and you're like, oh, why didn't they just say that? Sorry. The major axis length is A, and A in this case would be equal to 9, because 9 is half of 18. So let's plot 2 points a little bit further out. Let's label these. V, V, F, and F. A is equal to 9. This distance would give us C. C is equal to 6. By using the equation A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared, we can figure out that 81 is equal to B squared plus 36. Do a little subtraction, and you get 45 is equal to B squared, or B is equal to the square root of 45, which simplifies to 3 radical 5, which is about 6.7. So we go up 6.7, put a point, go down 6.7, put a point. We sketch this. Here's our ellipse. That is not the best ellipse, but that's okay. So the point of this is that you were able to get the missing value from the data that was given. Now it wants the equation of the ellipse. So I've graphed this because we need to see visually that this is a horizontal ellipse. Not that we couldn't have picked that out from the A value, but sometimes it helps to determine this just by looking at it. Horizontal ellipses have equation of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. The x minus h is over a squared. The y minus k squared is over b squared, equals 1. We get x squared over, remember our hk in this case is 0, 0. You can see that by looking there. Okay, plug in A, you get 81. Plug in B squared, you get 45. This should be y squared is equal to 1. Remember, this was our B right there. So there's the equation for the ellipse given that information.